Hello everybody, Chill Brown Vegan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make that super popular TikTok baked oatmeal 3 different ways. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alrighty, let's get into it. For the first variation, I'm going to make apple pie baked oats. So you need 2 apples of any kind. I'm using Gala apples. You want to wash them, peel them, and chop them up like this. And then we are going to go ahead and get a pan and put in the ingredients for our apple pie filling, which is brown sugar, water, a lot of cinnamon. I'm not really measuring, just kind of feeling with my heart here. Some nutmeg, a little bit of clove, and I made an itty bitty mistake here. I started to mix everything together and I did turn on the heat, but you do want to add in the cornstarch before you turn on the heat. Otherwise, you're going to get a whole bunch of clumps. So, pro tip, mix everything together first while it's still cold and then turn on the heat. But it should turn out looking like this, nice and thick, looking just like an apple pie filling. I'm going to go ahead and add the apples into the sauce. And then you're going to cook it on a medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes or just until the apples start to soften. Now it's time to make the base for the oatmeal. For the base, you just need oatmeal. I'm using quick oats, some vanilla almond milk, half of a ripe banana, some cinnamon, well, a lot of cinnamon, maple syrup, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. And you're just going to go ahead and blend everything up until nice and smooth. Once it is nicely blended, go ahead and pour everything into your ramekin. Then go ahead and spoon in your apple pie filling. I did reserve a few apples just for some garnish, so you can place them anywhere you want on top. You can add pecans or almonds, and then go ahead and set that aside. We're ready for the next one. For baked oatmeal number 2, I'm making peanut butter banana baked oatmeal. Everything is pretty much the same, except I did switch out the almond milk for oat milk, and then I'm also throwing in some peanut butter. This is homemade peanut butter that I just made 5 minutes before I made this, so I'm putting in about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of the peanut butter. And then just like the other one, you're going to go ahead and blend it up until it's nice and smooth. So I am pouring half of the mixture into the ramekin, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer in some bananas. I just used about half of a banana, and then once you have in as much as you need, go ahead and pour in the rest of the mixture. And once you're done with that, go ahead and set that aside with the other one. I just had them in the fridge. For the third one, I'm making a double chocolatey baked oatmeal, and I did swap out the milk for coconut milk this time around. But just like the other 2, we're going to pretty much be using the same base minus the cinnamon. And then I'm adding in a lot of cocoa powder. I think that's 2 heaping tablespoons. So you'll blend that up and then just pour it into your ramekin. And into this oatmeal, I'm adding in some walnuts, some dark chocolate chips, and some white chocolate chips, giving that all a good mix. Here I'm just garnishing the top by adding more walnuts and chocolate, some bananas, and then I also crushed up some peanuts and just sprinkled that on top as well. When they look good enough for you, go ahead and pop them in the oven, and they should look a little something like this when they come out. Now you've got 3 different delicious baked oatmeals that you can eat, 100% vegan, 100% delicious. If you're not a huge fan of oatmeal, or if you are just tired of cold, soggy overnight oats, I definitely recommend you give this a try. You won't regret it. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up, show me some love, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Hope you guys are all staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!